mind or losing my mind.
I'm gonna be the adder.
I think we should all be wanting the same car, just different colours.
Right. Be the adder, I'm gonna be a white adder.
David, be the fucking purple adder, or an orange adder. I'll be black adder. Oh,
You need to fucking rock and roll.
do this, you fucking piece of fucking eyebrow.
Oh yeah, above the bridge.
Here you go.
Go for the egg.
Never seen this man.
I'm gonna piss.
Christmas
Huh?
I'm gonna piss all on you over your Christmas tree.
Oh, look at this.
I'm
egg.
fucking.
You just boosted.
Yeah, I'm faster than
Egg
fucking
sandwich.
Jim.
I didn't know how to do it.
There we go. It's over. Where am I at? Right, that's it.
Oh, I'm coming though. I'm coming.
Get up. What
Ah,
the? Oh, oh
Get
David,
out of it.
fucking squashed the fucking eyebrow. Trying.
Come on, Chisby
Chisby. Why can't I make?
How are you supposed to make it?
I was going at the right speed there, like I'm not even fucking trying to pretend. Oh, I'm away. Right, piss the fucking shitter.
I finished. Get in.
Yeah, I'm in it.
Yeah, biscuit bits.
Fuck off.
What's the word? Right, let's do it. You fucking bunch of fucking sluts.
Off-road egg with a large jump on top.
Piss the bed, land race. If it's like the fucking first one, I'm gonna fucking shit the bath, let alone piss the bed.
Yeah, bet these are extra good to drive. Have you ever drove these before?
No, I'm gonna have an atomic shite on me back.
The Liberator.
Oh, don't fucking start with that.
Oh shit!
Oh, you deserve it. You deserve everything.
Oh, come on, you fucking villain.
Hell is going on?
Who's fucking riding backwards like a fucking Terminator 4?
A fucking tree, like I'm fucking made out of fucking eggs.
He's driving backwards like a Terminator.
The smell of shit.
The fucking reek of fucking Malamu.
Up to the finish line.
Oh, fuck off.
Get it up and boom. You're not gonna like it first.
It's a jump over chili con carne.
I'm gonna chili con carne me own
The
anthem.
biggest jump above the Mont Chiliad. You can't even spell fucking mount, you twat.
Can't you spell chili con carne? The fucking imbecile.
Right, I'm bright purple. Can't even spell chili con carne. Oh, I don't even know how to boost. Kev, do you know how to boost? You know these little things, you know, look behind us.
How do you boost?
How to boost?
Oh, that's it. The lot has
Milk.
gone ski.
Mom,
What are you supposed to do apart from die immediately?
I've landed it. Oh, yes. Touch
I have landed it.
Oh, beautiful!
Oh my god. Get off you fucking kid. Get off you kid.
Hold it at the last second.
I'm not dying.
What are you doing out of your car?
Break yourself out!
I'm in for you.
As if I get back out.
You nicked his car.
Everyone knows that dinner nannies are fatties. Eh? Right, that's it. Get off this.
The train's blocking me way. You better not touch us or I'll eat your own face. What are you doing? I want to be a part.
Who's right?
Push it.
Only, dear, when you start,
No, when you
pick up them things. Oh, okay.
Beard, man, you fucking egg.
Stop trying to hump each other.
Shit's over. I wanna fucking tell.
Oh my god.
Oh, see. Oh, he flipped like a fucking tossy.
Oh, look at that jump. No!
David, you crap.
See ya. Oh, look at that.
I love everyone's mom.
That's it, come on. Go! Oh, we're like fucking Chuck Norris's fucking handbag.
Everyone knows his handbag was
Bruce
away.
Forsyth moustache.
As if Chuck Norris's handbag was renowned for being away.
What? I've never found it.
Please. Oh, you would.
Ken takes the fuck.
Oh, that's shocking. I was doing well until you fucking smelled of battery acid.
Oh my God, Stephen.
Uh,
I'm gonna downvote that now.
yeah, fucking stunk.
He's trying his fucking hardest. Oh, I did the best jump ever.
Oh, I landed on my feet. I'm fucking hellish. Could not be near the end. I'm afraid I'm gonna make a mistake. I can smell it in his fucking fanny bone.
Done.
Straight in. Oh, good, I love it. I'm away. Oh, this is on you.
Have you ever woke up and had fucking Jimmy White nuzzling at your neck?
Almost.
Almost. He was nuzzling on my neck.
Almost, he was tickling me fucking side parting.
He was spooning.
Shaving me fucking. He was shaving me ball bearing.
I'm going into this fucking person's window, I'm gonna drop him some fucking Marmite and a fucking bag of apple fruits.
I'm gonna drop a big box of milk. I've ever been force-fed. Cats win. Have you ever had fucking Rapunzel's curtains fucking wrapped around your throat?
I've just turned around and went the other way.
Have you ever had Dolly Parton's dick rammed up your ass?
Dolly Parton's part.
Have you ever had fucking dolly mixture shoved down your fucking nappy?
Yeah, salty liquid wins that one.
Last one.
You got 11 grand for that.
I know I'm fucking richer than fucking Salman Rushdie.
I like turtles.